Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be working on the Honda Civic, fixing the whole interior. Before anything, I gotta pop the hood, disconnect the battery, because I'll be messing with the airbags. Okay guys, as you see, everything is naked. I took everything off. I changed the roof airbag, this one, that one. I changed the steering airbag, pulled the seat belts out, and the computer from over there to get a reset. A couple days from now, everything's gonna be back, all done. Okay guys, so I have everything I need to complete the interior on the Civic. The headliner, it's right there. It looks new, man. It looks like brand new. Really nice job. And I got the seat belts, airbags are in. So all I have to do is throw the plastics, install the seat belts, headliner, and after that we're done. And I'm really happy to be done with this little car because I want to jump on a different project and get some real cars. So let's get to work.
so unfortunately that is all that we have for today's video. Please make sure to turn your post notifications on so that you can stay posted for new videos coming up. As you guys can see, the exterior is completely done and the interior is also complete and ready to go. The final step will be to tint the windows and also wash the car inside and out and make sure it looks spotless. But for now, stay tuned for the next videos coming up. Peace.